Very good morning, everyone. I am Manju, research scholar in economics, University of Mysore, Mysuru. I am doing research under the guidance of Dr. M.V. Dinesha, Assistant Professor, Department of Studies in Economics and Cooperation, University of Mysore, Mysuru. Today I am going to present my research paper on the topic Trend Analysis of Area, Production, Productivity of Sugarcane Crop in Karnataka. Let us begin with the abstract. Abstract is the main trailer of research paper because a brief summary of the paper. Karnataka is a significant state in the country with an area of 451,000 hectares and production of 40,612,000 tons during 2019-20. It is one of the most important commercial crops of Karnataka. Introduction. Sugarcane is an important cash crop grown in India. It plays a crucial role in the overall socio-economic development of the farming community. The production has grown drastically over the past several years. This enabled India to become the second largest producer of the sugarcane and sugar in India after Brazil. In India, Karnataka stands third in cane production next to Uttar Pradesh and the Maharashtra states, and second in sugar recovery after Maharashtra. Sugarcane is produced in 31 districts of the state. Of these districts, 16 districts are the major sugarcane producing districts. Among the 31 districts, Belgaum has the maximum area and leads in production. Review of literature. The major review of literature on the research paper Kumar S. and Singh S. 2014. In their review, the growth rate in area of sugarcane shows the negative growth rate in almost all districts of Haryana for the year 2002-2010. And Roy C.K. and Arthi 2017 also revealed the trend of area, production, and productivity of sugarcane per hectare in Uttar Pradesh. The study showed that the area, production, and productivity of sugarcane have significantly increased during the study period 1992 2015. Talwar Basraj in his study has examined the revealed that a high fluctuation was observed in the production of sugarcane in Vijayapura district and Karnataka state during 2019-91 to 2016. This is about the major review of literature. Move on to objectives. Objectives of the study. The first objective is to examine the growth performance in major sugarcane states in India. Second objective is to analyze the trends of sugarcane area, production and yield in Karnataka. Methodology. The study was based on secondary data collected from the Cooperative Sugar Volume 51, January 2020 and indiastats.com. The data is analyzed by using the compound annual growth rate percentage change. A compound annual growth rate has been worked out to study the changes in the area, production and yield of sugarcane from 1990 to 2020. Trend analysis. The compound annual growth rate was calculated by fitting the following equation in the time series data, area, production and yield. Yt is equal to y naught into 1 plus r into t. Taking log on both the side, we will get the ln yt is equal to ln y naught plus t ln into 1 plus r. Finally, we will get the equation ln yt is equal to a plus bt, where yt represent area, production and yield, y not represent constant coefficient and t is a time period in years, b is regression coefficient. Percentage compound annual growth rate calculated by anti-log b minus 1 into 100. This is about the trend analysis. Result and discussion. The growth performance in major sugarcane states in India. The table shows that the state-wise area, production and productivity of sugarcane in India. The data reveals that Uttar Pradesh is the leading sugarcane producing state, followed by Maharashtra and Karnataka. While analyzing the production of the state, it is clear that production is directly related to the area under sugarcane. The total production of the whole country was 3,77,766,000 tons in 2019-20. Statewide sugarcane production in India. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Bihar states are leading producer of sugarcane in the country. And Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab are the other significant sugarcane producing state in India. The share of these states range between 1 to 4% to the total production of the country. Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and other many states had minor production of the sugarcane. Compound annual growth rate of area, production and yield of sugarcane 1990 to 2020. In the table, the data has been classified into 4 parts. The first part starts from 1919 to 2000 and the second part start from 2000 to 2010 and the third part start from 2010 to 2020. In addition to they, we have worked out the overall growth rate 1990 to 2020. The figure shows that the trend of sugarcane cultivation in Karnataka is fluctuating. No uniform pattern of growth has been observed. Last but not the least, conclusion. From the above discussion, it is found that the area of sugarcane increased by 1.76% over 30 years. Various production and yield increased by 2.31% and 0.5% respectively. It is clear from the study that the trend of sugarcane cultivation in Karnataka is fluctuating. No uniform pattern of growth has been observed. This is due to the problem faced by sugarcane farmer, which include the scarcity of water, sugarcane pricing problems, etc. The sugarcane crop requires a regular supply of a large quantity of water for its growth. The availability of sufficient water mainly depends on rainfall. Fluctuation in seasonal rainfall in India adversely affect the production of sugarcane. References. Thank you for giving the opportunity to present my research paper, and thank you one and all.